Hello everyone and welcome to this episode of DoubleG's Garage. And today we got some really exciting stuff going on. We had Santa Claus with a brown truck show up some this week. So today we're going to look at what came in, what's in those boxes. And we're also going to take a look at some scores we made off of my favorite store, Facebook Marketplace. Does anybody really use Craigslist anymore? Facebook Marketplace seems to have everything I'm looking for. And we'll talk a little bit about some of the projects we got going on in DoubleG's Garage right now. So stay tuned, more to come. Okay, first project we got going on in DoubleG's Garage. We got this 69 Beetle convertible on the lift, off the pan, getting ready to do a full resto on it. Probably the next thing in line is to weld some floor pans in there. And then on the other side of the shop, we got a 1973 MGB that's probably going to be going away soon. We're looking to maybe trade it off and get some more some Volkswagen related stuff in here. So lots going on as far as restorations around here, and more to follow. What did we get this week? Well, we started off with some Facebook Marketplace scores, and here we go. We got a 1958 Volkswagen Beetle deck lid. It's in pretty good shape. What we're planning on doing with that, we're going to make some wall art out of it. So we're going to add a light to it. We might clean it up a little bit, but of course we want to leave that patina there because it looks so good. And we're going to probably put a vintage license tag on it, hang it up on the wall here in the shop. So pretty good score. Found it right there on Facebook Marketplace. And then of course, like I said, lots of goodies came in this week, which is not typical for the shop, but we got lots of goodies from the Santa Claus with the brown truck. So he brought us piles of parts. We're getting ready to start cutting up some boxes. Also, we scored us one of the toolboxes off of the Harbor Freight specials there. We're going to be putting together that blue tool cart. All right, so before I cut open this box, pretty common distributor here, I wanted to say we're not sponsored by anybody here at DoubleG's Garage, not yet anyway. So one of my favorite parts companies I'll give a shout out to doing Volkswagen restorations is, of course, Wolfsburg West. So we're going to dive into this box first, and I'll try to share the part numbers of what we got in. These are some parts for my 64 Beetle project that we picked up last week. And you know, Wolfsburg West, for years I've probably been buying parts from them for maybe 25 years, and the quality is always exceptional. It may not be the cheapest price, but I don't care. It's really good stuff. The service is outstanding, so shout out to Wolfsburg West for their outstanding customer service and for their great parts. So let's dig in and see what's in this box. And of course, everybody's favorite, peanuts. You know, they do a great job of protecting stuff, but they get everywhere, don't they? Packaging with Wolfsburg West is always outstanding. You don't have to worry about any parts coming in damaged there. They do a fantastic job. Of course, on this one, it's been a while since I got one of their catalogs, so I asked them to go ahead and stick one of those in there. So, quality catalog, I'll go through that. I'm sure there'll be a few more things I might need before the week's out or the month's out. We're not made of money, so I can't order stuff every day, but really nice color catalog. Lots of goodies in there. Like I said, no sponsor here. I don't have any skin in the game on this, but what a great company. So let's see what we got here. First of all, we got a part number 111-827-301, and those are some engine lid hinges. Had on this 64 I just picked up. Of course, it's been outside, pulled out of the woods. Quite a. I'll try to post up some pictures and do, you know, a separate blog just on that car. But you know, it sat out in the weather for a while, and hinges were rusted, and somebody kept trying to open it, and these broke off. So we'll be welding some of those back on and getting the hinges back together. This box here, pretty good stuff. Love the Wolfsburg West logo. This is a part number 113-898-015. One thing I like about Wolfsburg West, and there's other companies out there that have this available. They have a kit, because the car I bought didn't have any keys. So I got a kit for the ignition switch and for the door handles and keys. So that's what we have here. Got the T handle. Of course, in here should be an ignition switch. Got that. And then a couple of door handles, and hopefully in one of these boxes I'll have some keys that go along. There you go. Set of keys, everything's matched. Makes it nice and easy. I'll open this up real quick and give you my opinion on the chrome. Very nice. So I bought some of the reproduction parts in the past from some other manufacturers, and you can tell the chrome's kind of lacking in quality, but with the Wolfsburg West, especially if you get their bumpers or any of that restoration, it's restoration quality chrome. Now, this particular car that I'm building, this 64, is going to be more of a patina car. We're going to fix the mechanicals, maybe put a big street engine in it, and of course get the suspension and the brakes upgraded. But wasn't really too worried about the quality of the chrome. Probably going to leave the old bumpers on it and stuff like that. But it's really nice. I mean, if you look at it, if I hold it up close, maybe you can tell in the light here on the video. But really, really good quality to the chrome and to the product. So again, another shout out, Wolfsburg West. Great job, good stuff. So I'll really enjoy that. And of course, having matched keys, not having to have, you know, a different key for every lock on the car, very handy. So that's about it on my Wolfsburg West box. Let's see what we have next. All right, so what we have here is a 111-845-201D, and that is a Bug door glass 65 to 77. Perfect condition, brand new. No cracks, no chips. They did a great job of packaging it, and it looks fantastic. So, assuming I don't drop it and break it before I get it onto the vehicle, there it is. Again, shout out to DoubleG. No sponsorship at all, but what a great job of shipping that. I also got a couple of window felt channels, part number 311-837-433A. Front window felt channels for a 64 Bug. I've gotten these all different quality over the years. These seem to be very high quality. Red stripe on the woven part, the cloth part on the back. Just looks good. Some of these I've bought in the past, they're I guess over reproduced, or the quality is not quite what you're taking off, and the channel themselves are a lot larger than what you're taking out, and you have some problems making it fit. That one looks pretty good. And these right here are part number 111-475L/R. These are your window scrapers on each side. The want to choke your mother scrapers here. These things here, terrible to install. I've done some of these, quite a lot of these in the past. I've got some tricks to getting them in, but again, they never fit like the original. A lot of people have told me the trick is save the wire, this piece right here, save the wire out of the ones you're taking out, and take the rubber off the reproduction one and use the same wire which has the clip built into the end of it and reuse it. So we may try that on these. We'll take a look at it, how bad I destroy the old ones when I take them out. But there they are. And then we've got a another seal, part number, oh, this is the bottom seal, the glass where it goes into the metal portion of the window regulator, the channel. 831, 837, 585. Just a flap seal, U-channel seal, whatever you want to call it, in the actual window regulator itself. Some good stuff. J-Bug's always running a lot of specials. Of course, you get some really cool decals. I'll get these up in the shop, give them another shout out. Also, I asked them for a catalog. They gave me a couple of decals there. Also, this wonderful clip I thought I might need to hold the regulator assembly together. These are usually broken off or rusty on older cars. VW window regulator clip, part number 111, 837, 507. If you need those, looks just as good as the original. Also, it's been a while since I got a J-Bug's catalog, really nice color catalog. I ordered one of their catalogs with my order. Probably be getting more stuff in the near future from J-Bug's, especially when they run discount specials. And then one of the things I get hung up here in DoubleG's garage is they had a free giveaway 2020 J-Bug's calendar. Hadn't even really looked at it yet. Some really cool cars in here. It was a free gift with the order, so we'll get that put up. Lots of nice looking cars. I'll hang it up there somewhere here on the wall, and that'll be our 2020 calendar. So I guess that's about it for now on the unboxing, on the update on the projects we've got going here in DoubleG's garage, and also on the score from Facebook Marketplace on our 1958 Beetle deck lid. I'll do another episode on the deck lid. What we'll show you is when I actually build the light, and I'm going to find me a LED or some type of a light system and put a plug on it, and we're going to, you know, hang it up here in the garage. It'll be a nice little piece of wall art. So I'll probably do some videos on that of how I build it, and you know, what kind of dollar store parts I get for it and how it turns out. So again, if you like what you see, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It's good talking to everybody, and we'll have more projects coming up soon. Peace.